Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to sign in on Bing AI Image Generator. It's pretty basic, but if you are having problems signing in, watch this video till the end and it will help you how to sign in. So first of all, we need to open up our web browser and then we have to open up Bing AI Generator. And once when you're here, you can click join and create, sign in with a personal account, and then it will ask for your email or your phone or your Skype. So I'll enter my email. So you have to enter your name, and then after entering your name, you have to enter your date of birth. They are going to send you a verification code, so make sure that you open up your email. And then after opening this verification email, you have to copy the verification code and then you have to enter it here. And then you have to sort this puzzle out. What we have to do is we have to move this hammer in the direction of the hand. So after you have verified yourself, it will take you to the home page. And that's it. That's how you sign up to Bing Image Generator. So it's simple as it is. I hope this video was helpful, and please like the video and subscribe the channel for more content like this. Thank you so much.